Que no es que lo grabe Samantha para como ya te lo hice, lo vas a hacer.
Claro.
Debería, ¿no?
Claro.
Pero como es Samantha, ahí se sospecha.
Ay, cállate, Yami.
Ahora,
¿Qué? ¿Ya?
ustedes me dicen. Hello people, we are the team who work in the project of rainwater, and we are going to present or to introduce what is the purpose of this project.
ahora la introducción. No,
¿Y hemos los del equipo? ¿O eso ya hasta el final de la edición le ponemos créditos?
En la introducción yo creo que pues nada más aparecemos nosotros tres.
Ajá.
Porque pues, nosotros tres vamos.
Y después nosotros nada más en la justificación.
Pero aquí ya le cortamos, ¿no? Para que ustedes salgan de la pantalla y agarren las hojas.
Por eso, pero va a seguir grabando y ya se va cortando después todo.
Entonces que el video va a durar como una hora.
Ya lo pauso y ya.
Sí, ese pausalo porque es el primero.
Se
Ahí
ve-
ves.
No se ve el celular.
Ahí ves.
La renza.
¿Qué si lo pongo aquí no ves?
¿Ya ves?
Sí, ahí sí.
Está súper
¿Sí?
bien y no se ve la renza.
Más o menos, ¿eh?
Acércate, tú
Acércate.
más, ve, yo como estoy diciendo que no se ve el celular.
No, pues es que es para que se vea que está viendo a la cámara.
Es que si lo puedes poner horizontal, yo lo leo bien chingón.
No,
Bueno,
te fallo, hermano.
population.
Es que güey, leí population. A lo mejor Becerro lo puso mal.
Pollution, sí,
Ahí
dice
decía pollution,
reduce the
güey.
pollution.
We want to design and build a machine. Pues ponen en pausa porque
Es que yo pensé que...
Well, creating a machine that purifies rainwater is important because the clean water is not easy to find in all the world. The machine will be made from recycled materials, and this will be good for the environment.
The storage of clean water is a problem in many parts of the world. The water is polluted by activities like industry, agriculture, and trash. This problem affects the health, biodiversity, and the environment.
we want to design and build a machine that purifies rainwater using sustainable and recycled materials so the water be cleaner and also help to reduce the pollution. The project is very important because it will help to educate people about the care of natural recursos. Espérate, están marcando.
Ah, el Santi.
Y a mí
Que no le hagas tan obvio.
Síguele.
No, porque la
Ya,
música
ya,
ya
ya,
varios
ya,
idiomas.
Yo hablo disléxico.
Pendejadas, mamadas.
Tú, Palito, ¿quieres hacer ruido? Vete para allá. Vete como hace rato te fuiste. ¿A dónde mierda fuiste?
A ver,
Hay escaleras ahí.
a la one, a la two, a la one,
Sí,
two,
César.
three.
No me voy
Ay, pero se ve no sé si es la piedra.
Sí, la piedra.
Ahí está.
A la one, a la one.
Sí, César. Enséñame lo blanco.
Ant. Quita el ruido, güey, es que estabas hablando una palabra completa. Ya ves que
Ya.
ahí sí, no sé.
Ya.
Dash.
Justification. The pollution in cities that is bigger because of too many cars and factories makes acid rain. This rain affects water, health, and nature in general. Health. Acid rain brings contaminants that make water bad to drink. This machine helps to make water safe for people.
Ecosystems. Acid rain can change the water and harm the life in rivers and lakes. With this machine, the water will be better and we can help ecosystems to recover resources. The machine uses trash for make energy. This is important in big cities that have a lot of waste and no clean water. Lo dije mejor.
Mejor.
Sí, ya estuvo mejor.
Lo dije
Sí,
mejor.
sí, ya pasa.
Espérate, ahora sí ya.
What is a water dispenser? A water dispenser provides an unlimited supply of filtered, safe drinking water in any working place used by connecting into the existing water supply. User use need to place a glass bottle or jug under the tap and press a lever or button to fill it. Water dispenser also include a cooling mechanism that keeps the water at a cold or very cold temperature. They provide cold, hot filters and even carbonated water. Aquí. My conclusion according resource management efficiency is the machine not only collection rainwater for recycling but also optimize its filtration and strong promoting the efficient use of this resource. At the same time, by capturing plastic waste, it helps manage and dispose of these wastes, reducing pollution and optimizing waste management.
Impact on ecosystems. We have loss of species in the ecosystems and increase of harmful insects that disperse diseases. Environmental and social benefits. Reduction of carbon footprint. Both eco-friendly machines and sustainable materials help to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases released into the environment. Lower resources consumption. They reduce the use of water, energy, and other materials, helping to conserve the natural resources. The impact on health by reducing pollution and exposure to toxic substances. These technologies improve public health and long-term sustainability. These innovations contribute to a growth model that protects resources for future generations. Yep. In conclusion, promotion of circular economy by collecting and recycling plastics. The machine promotes a circular economy where materials are reused instead of being thrown away. This technology enables the reuse of plastics and water, contributing to creating a self-sustaining and eco-friendly system.
Well, in the impact on ecosystems, marine ecosystems, or ingestion, with the marine animals can mistake plastics or for food, causing blockage and malnutrition. Entanglement. Fishing nets and other plastic trap animals, making hard them to move and survive. And the last one is the biodiversity. Plastics can carry invasive species, changing the local ecosystem. Well, what pollution causes? Principle in the health problems. For example, we have the respiratory problems, sometimes deaths, cancer, genetic malformations, and something like that. The importance of education and environmental owners. One of the best ways to fight water pollution is through education, teaching people about the effects of pollution and encouraging sustainable practices is essential. Environmental education campaigns can help reduce the use of plastics, chemicals, and encourage better waste management. And if everyone participates, it will be easier to protect water resources and ensure that future generations have clean water. Innovation in materials. It's when you use new materials like bioplastics made from algae or hemp fibers are being developed to replace plastics and other polluting materials. Social and community benefit. Well, this is my conclusion. The implementation of this machine in urban or rural areas can provide an alternative water resource for domestic or agricultural use, which is especially valuable in areas with water shortage. It also reduces the amount of plastic in the environment, improving the quality of life and health in communities.
Eco-friendly machines, definitions and goals. These machines are designed to reduce the environment impact using clean technology and energy sources, renewable energy sources. The machines use energy from the sun, wind, weather, or fundamental sources, ignited or fossil fuels, energy efficiency. They are designed to consume less energy while still performing the same task, opportunity their functions to minimize energy use and emissions, the reduction of emission and pollution. They use systems that limit the emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. How the machine works. Waste collection. The machine has a compartment where organic and inorganic while in the B places. Decomposition. The waste will go through a process called purification, where it is harvested to turn it into gas that will help power the machine. Energy. The gas is captured and used to feed an electric generator. Purification. First, the water is filtered to remove large particles, then chemical like choice or carbon are added to treat the water. And finally, it is disinfected and using UV light to make sure it's free from pathogens. Storage. The last step to store the purified water in a clean and disinfected compartment until is ready for use.
Yeah.
In conclusion, educational potential and environment awareness, installing this machine in public space could serve as a visible reminder of the impact of plastic pollution and the value of water. It could also be an educational tool to promote the conservation of natural resources and responsible consumption and disposal of plastic.
Impact in human health. Ingestion and exposure. Microplastic can be found in the food, water, and even in the air we breathe. Plastic can release toxic chemicals like EPA and phthalates that affect our health, causing problems like hormonal change, and even cancer. Indoor dust can also contain microplastics, which we can breathe in and cause respiratory problems. Sustainable materials. Definition and characteristics. Sustainable materials are those with life cycle, production, use, and dispose has a low environmental impact. They should be renewable, recyclable, and biodegradable. Yeah. My conclusion is the water dispenser is a device where water is placed to be filtered to make it safe for drinking. This dispenser usually change the temperature of the water, but the dispenser will propose filters the water with ecological materials to avoid excessive waste and unstable materials.